Alright, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is the CLC Paint YouTube channel, and I am Chase Corrington. We're going to show you how to paint a mountain today. We're not going to go through the whole painting, just a mountain. We'll do other steps later as we try and find the right angle here. Let's go with that one. Alright, so the key to starting, you want to start out with a mountain mixture. Right here, this is a mixture of our alizarin crimson, the phthalo blue, that's up here on the canvas is what I'm pointing to, alizarin crimson, phthalo blue, and I used a little bit of midnight black, which is this guy, and you mix that all up, flatten it out, and let's see where we go. If there's any background noises or distractions, I apologize. Life happens. So you pull your knife through it, whoosh, get your edge of paint. We're going to come up here and you shape your mountain. Don't be afraid, just play. Wipe your knife, grab some more paint. Maybe we'll have another peek over here. I have a habit of making pyramid looking mountains, so lately I've been trying to make them more flat, a little longer. That way they're not exactly like a triangle, but even exact triangle mountains are beautiful. So it's just up to how you feel. Use the top edge. That's the only thing that matters right here, is the top edge of your mountains. You can come back and do different blending on the bottom later. Right there, yeah. See, perfect triangle. Let's flatten her out. And you scrape to remove the excess. Alright, we'll start with that. Take a clean, dry brush and you pull it down. Now this is where angles become very important. You want to shape your mountain here. So it's going down to the left on this side. You really want to spread it out. Actually, you want to spread it as much as you want. It's up to each individual person who does the painting. And this is the CLC Paint YouTube channel, where we show you how to paint, or we'll paint for you so you can enjoy the beauty and the serenity and the love that I have for painting. You can share it with me, ladies and gentlemen. And if something looks weird at this stage, don't worry about it, because you're going to be adding on your highlights very quickly here. And you want it to just kind of mist away at the bottom. Excellent. Wipe your knife off. And we're going to come back with a pile of white, which you'll see down here in the corner. You do the same thing you did with the black or your mountain mixture. Flatten it out. Grab yourself a roll of paint on the edge of the knife. Same way you created the mountain, this time with a delicate touch, almost where you can drop the knife. And you just have fun. Shape it. It's your world. You can make anything you want on here. Let's have this guy down like that. I'll show you what happens if you push too hard when you do this. It just kind of smears flat like that, and it does look cool. Maybe we'll keep that. We'll keep that. See? Happy accidents. And just play. Get some white at the bottom. Have this guy come right over here. I try to put a little white across the bottom, so when you blend later, the white blends in with your misty area here. You want that misty area in between your next layer, which will be trees, so it looks like distance in between each layer. Distance in paintings goes a long way for the quality. Alright, now you take your white, mix it with a tiny bit of your mountain mixture. Make yourself a shadow color. I'll show you what I'm doing here. A little bit of mountain mixture with white. Pretty much turns out to be light blue. Get a little bit of that. Give every highlight a shadow. This one you can just kind of scrape it in, or you can let it float down so it gets all those little breaks. That's why you do it so softly, so you get all the little breaks and it looks rocky. Be free. Don't worry about messing things up. That's when you do your best, is if you just flow. Just let it happen. No fear. If you're painting in fight or flight mode, that's ridiculous.